one of the better ones that you could get. Nvidia did the exact same thing, see that consolidation, and then it came up and breached its all-time high. So we think over the next 3 to 8 weeks, Amazon is a strong buy, and old Vincenzo is what he's trying to tell you here. Peace and love. Weekly time frame, you can see we had the great dumps in all these coins or all these stocks, right? We had a big collapse here, and now we're getting that little hook, right? But here's what we're playing over the next 3 to 5 months. If the bear market rallies can continue, you could see this Apple did this. Same correction is nearing an all-time high now, right? Starting to have its push back up. eBay dead right now. Microsoft going on a mountain double top, approaching its all-time high. Netflix starting up. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. The markets have been moving. Bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share for education and information, and a super simple, easy way to technically trade this market with a probability-based system here. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio show. This is strictly my own personal opinions on the market and should never be taken as financial advice or anything or they're otherwise construed as financial advice. This is just my own entertainment and personal opinion on the markets. And what's going on here in the market is markets have been going up, markets have been going down. The stock market's been doing very well, but the cryptos have been sort of stagnant after they had their most recent major rally in the daily time frame. Ever since we've been on this most recent pump here in the crypto, the price has been stagnant, and we're still sitting on these moving averages from the last time we talked, consolidating sideways. First overhead resistance that you would watch for on the pump up if it takes the bullish side. On our super simple, easy technical analysis on the up pump would look something similar to this, and you'd want to get above the $29,000 or the bottom part of the VP volume indicator in red. As you know, when you're coming from below it, it likes to act as rejection. Just like when you're coming from above it on, like, say, a blue trading zone, it likes to act as support. So that's what we're going to try to do on the bullish side. On the bearish side, we're going to break these moving averages that are converging on each other, and we're going to dump down and take the green route and get near the top part of this blue trading zone in and around $19,169.69. And what we're doing here is we're not just sitting tight and holding and crypto all the time. We're buying a little Amazon. It's been pumping, so we're going to ride a little Amazon pumps, right? We got a little Amazon there. We're going to get into some long-term holds over here. We got our Amazon here. We got some First Majestic. We've put in a little bit of Rivian into there for our long-term hold. It was up as high as $200 a share in 2021, and it's collapsed all the way down to near $10. But we purchased our first 25 shares, and we're going to continue to buy as long as Rivian's below where I initially bought it at, about right at this price. I just picked them up yesterday, and we're going to continue to buy those. A few hundred to maybe up to 1,000 shares if the price stays below 15, gets below 10, by 10, 20 shares a week, right, until we get enough. And then we're just going to let that sit there and hold, because you don't want to be sitting and waiting when other markets are moving. You got to make some money around the markets. You got to go where the money is. If the market's in the commodity run, you got to have if you're an active trader, you have to have a portfolio that's flexible. You have to have cash available to do things in different places to do different things. And you got to take advantage of markets that are moving. The Ethereum price, you can see it got above, got rejected up here, and we told you it was probably topping out, and it came all the way back down to the moving average, and it got supported on the moving average at about $1,829, came back up on a little pump to 1902.15, the top part of that VP volume indicator, and look what it did. It got rejected. So you got to break north of the VP volume indicator to get bullish, try to make a new regional double top at 2142, or you're going to get rejected on the 1682. If you look at the XRP price, everybody loves the XRP price. We had a phenomenal pump, and we were waiting for it to do something after it had this long consolidation, and we had the two simple, easy technical trading setups and strategies, what it was going to do when the volume came back in. We got the little local volume spike, and it took the up pump. Now the key is, can we hold this as support like it's trying to do right now, and then finish out this pump and get all the way up near 68 cents? Or is this going to be a fake out, a hook nose Jew bearish reversal pattern, and it's going to come down and actually get down to 37 cents? That's what we're looking at. That's what we're watching out for. And then as we end out with a little bit of Amazon, this is what we're playing the pump on. You can see just in the overall market what's been going on in the macro time frame. If we go out to the weekly time frame, you can see we had the great dumps in all these coins or all these stocks, right? We had a big collapse here, and now we're getting that little hook, right? But here's what we're playing over the next 3 to 5 months. If the bear market rallies continue, you could see this Apple did this same correction is nearing an all-time high now, right? Twitter is starting to have its push back up. eBay dead right now. Microsoft going out of mountain double top, approaching its all-time high. Netflix starting that bounce back, right? All the big companies, the good companies, are starting that bounce back. And that's what we're going to sit here and play and see if that does not happen in Amazon, because Amazon's one of the better ones that you could get. NVIDIA did the exact same thing, see that consolidation, and then it came up and breached its all-time high. So we think over the next 3 to 8 weeks, Amazon is a strong buy, and old Vincenzo is what he's trying to tell you here. Peace and love.